Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How beneficial is apple for health and antioxidant that help keep your heart healthy and reduce cholesterol levels. They are low in calorie and high in fiber, which keep you full for longer. A type of fiber called pectin that supports healthy digestion and provides are rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system. Apples have natural sugars and help regulate blood sugar levels when eaten in moderation. Antioxidants in apples help keep your skin healthy and slow down aging. For watching my video, please subscribe my channel.